In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a Docusign document sent in email. 5 minutes. First, head to your email inbox and look for the message from Docusign inviting you to sign. It usually mentions that a document is ready for your signature. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder and make sure the sender looks legitimate. When you found the message, open it so you can begin. Inside the email, click the Review Document button. This opens a secure DocuSign page in your browser. Give the page a moment to load. You'll be prompted to review the document and sign electronically. Before you proceed, you'll see a consent screen. Check the box that says you agree to use electronic records and signatures if available, then click Continue. This is a standard acknowledgement that allows Docusign to process your signature digitally. Once the document opens, look for the yellow Start tag on the left side. Click it to jump directly to the first place you need to act. Docusign guides you through everything required, such as signatures, initials, and dates, so you won't miss a field. You can always scroll to read the entire document at your own pace and zoom in if you want a closer look. If something looks off, pause and contact the sender before signing. When you arrive at a signature field, click the signature tag. You'll be asked to adopt your signature. You can choose a pre-styled signature, draw your own with a mouse or touch screen, or upload an image of your signature if you have one saved. If you upload, use a clear image on a plain background so it looks clean. Adopting your signature also creates matching initials for this document, and you can change styles if you prefer a different look. After that, continue following the cues through any additional required fields until everything is complete. When you're finished, click the Finish button at the top or bottom of the screen to submit your signed document. DocuSign will process it and notify the sender automatically. You'll typically receive a confirmation email, often with a copy of the signed file. If a download or receipt page appears, you can save or print a copy for your records. Keep that copy handy in case you need it later. That's all there is to it. Open the email, review the document, give consent, follow the yellow start guide, adopt your signature, and click Finish. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to sign DocuSign documents directly from your inbox with confidence.